Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and here I'm going to teach you the solution which I posted the query in my group. Here is it's not a complicated actually. You have to use a minimum of this thing that what it say the trick. Okay, first of all, what you'll do, you have to find the query is you have to find the flavor sold. Which flavor sold maximum times in the week of three and minimum in the week of three only. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the solution how you have to do this one. First of all, what you'll do, first of all, you have to take a, as usual, you have to take this one max if f4 equal to 3. Then take this one. Right. Then automatically it will pick up the maximum sales on the week of 3. Right. So if I enter, it will give you the value error because it's an array function. You have to use control, shift, and enter. 22. Okay, we got 22 is the maximum sale in the week of 3. Now we got the maximum. Now we have to find the flavor which is sold on the week 3. Right. So what I'll do, I'll make this as a lookup value by the using of match function. Match, comma. So it will become the lookup value. Now where you want to look up? I want to look up over here. So because we are using match to find the position where it is, the 22 is the maximum sales, the position where it is actually located. So it will pick up the position that is on 10th. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. See. Now simply use an index function to get the flavor which sold in the week of 3. Not sorry. I'll copy this one, Control C, and this is an array function. You have to use Control Shift and Enter. So 11 sold 1. In one also maximum 11 only sold. I'll type 2. 2 also 11 sold. No. Wait a minute. Somewhere went wrong here. 2 actually, yes, 11 is there. Maximum, yes. Okay, in lemon, what I'll do, I'll decrease it to 32. In lemon to, yes, it's right, to 32. Yes, it's, so it has to come the strawberry actually. Strawberry F2. What happened? Not lemon, actually it's not a lemon. Max lookup value F9 41. Let me check whether which one is wrong. 41. Okay. Lookup value F9 and the lookup array F9. So it has to pick up the second position, that is lemon. Let's pick up because here the duplicates are there. For that reason, it is pick up in the first occurrence of value. Okay. In next session, I will show you how to do when it is in duplicates to find the maximum. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll make it as 50. See. If it is duplicates, it will pick up the first occurrence. This is the thing. In next session, when we find the same sales in the different weeks, how to find the maximum sales in that week only. Okay, did you got my point? So here the same formula, Control V, In place of max, I will use min. Control shift enter. Chocolate in the second week. Chocolate. See, that is the chocolate. If I change to one, so vanilla 15 times and lemon 50 times. Okay, unit sold, 50 sold. Okay, so this is the solution indexation. I'll explain when it is in this field. If you find any duplicates, how to do that one. And coming to here, what I said, find the count how many are the fourth digit fours are there. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the fourth digit 4. Here also 4. But here sixth position. Here also sixth position. First position. Fourth position. So what I'll do here, and this query also created by my own. Okay, this is not an interview query. It may ask in some interviews, but I don't know that one. But this query is created by my own. Please, I'm expecting at least for this. For my previous video, I did not get as much I expected. For at least this video, I'm expecting a little bit of likes and share for this video. And now, what I'll do, just I'll search of what search will do. Search will always pick up the position. See, here I'll show you for better understanding, comma, within text, this text. Sorry, I did a reverse order. As to this 4, where can I find this 4 over here? Fourth position. Okay, I have not logged it here. Not this one, F4. Now see. So it will pick up the positions. Okay, where actually it is located. So what I'll use, I will find this 4 in whole array. F4. So it will give all the positions where it is actually 4, 4, 5, 1, 1, 4, 4, 4, and 1. Okay. So we are interested in the fourth position 4. So I'll do like this. F4, not locking, just I'll show you. See. Wherever it finds the fourth position of 4, it will show us the true and remaining are all falses. So I convert this into like this. Into a number by using double negative. So it will pick up true as a 1 and false as a 0. Simply I use some product for this. Some product, close parentheses, control, and 5. Totally 5 4s are there, and the position is fourth position. 1, 2, 3. If you want, you can count it like this also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 are there. Okay. And today I'm going to give you the test that you have to find the, see what I'm going to show you. You have to find the, you have to change the criteria over here. Okay. If it is 1 means the length of a number. It is 1. And text is having length of 2. If I change 2, it has to change the length of numbers 5 and length of a text is 4. Okay, you have to find the length of as per this criteria. I'll share this file in my group so that with solution, already I have did the solutions. Okay, after watching my video, I will send this one and try to find it out the count of the length of the numbers as well as text. Numbers are 5, text as 4. Okay. Thank you guys. Signing off. Rajnikant, Excel Guru.